you all my love. Sempre sarai tu il mio amore, my darling, my angel, my dove. If ever you would leave me, I think I would lay down and die. Oh, ecco il mio cuore. Now tell me your heart is mine. Secondi, minuti ed ore, days without you feel like years. Se tu mi lasci, amore, I die in a river of tears. I wish I had more to offer. You know I'd give you the stars up above. Oh, ecco il mio cuore, angelo mio, my dove. I give you my heart and my love.
Bigay sa amin ng pera. Sige po, hanapin nyo na yun sa pilit.
Ah, sige. Wow. Oh, saan? Dito? Sige. Fitness, okay po. Kading yung maulan talaga.
Binaba mo pa yan.
Bakit?
Hindi naman magagamit yun dito.
Test lang.
Nakikita mo ba yung ano? Yung ulan sa labas?
Dito lang.
Ano dito sa loob?
Pero indoor eh.
Gusto. Ang drone bawal sa indoor yan. Bahala ka.
Pwede po bang tulipan nila? Gabi? Ano ba?
Nakakatakot talaga.
Lagi ko tumigil ang mundo ko dito. Ang kakabir, nagtraya na yun. Talagang parang pigil.
Told you. Ang nakikinig.
Nakatakot ba? Taas.
Saan ba ulit? Wait lang. Hindi, ito yung ano.
Nasa ka. Itong kami lang. Yes. They can't use the drone yet. But this one I could. Let's use it as a drone. POV. Even if outside. Damn. Now max it out. Yeah. Yeah. That's the view. What I can only get. Outside. Inside.
Lamig.
Ah, baka yung nandun.
Ha?
Kasi
Okay.
So ito, laro man, dito sila umanong, pero sa menu lang daw. Pero yung alam kasi yung
sarado siya doon.
Ah.
Pero ano lang din kasi yung
Oo, ganyan,
view din
parang
naman
ganyan.
yan yung view.
Ayun, pinatay na yung aircon.
Kaya lang ano siya,
Pinatay na yung aircon. Alimig. Okay. Order na.
Nagtingin na kayo sa ilaw.
Ay, kayo nga. Kayo ang ano. Ako. Kayo mag-ano.
Pero kasi ito yung naka-alakart nila good for 2 to 3 packs. Ayan, okay sila.
Ako din. Kalin ikaw, magkano mo ba? Maganda. Pinasagad mo? Sagad na? Sagad na?
Oh.
Oo, yung inatrasan mo. Yung minagmaniobra ka?
Nag-slide ka, nag-slide ka, talagang
ang tingin
Ang hirap eh.
Mahirap talaga.
ang tingin mo siguro dun sa iyo, ang layo mo pa, pero ang lapit na natin.
Nakakatakot.
nakakatakot ko kasi
Hindi ka na modulo.
Oo, kasi ano.
May ano, bato ko eh, di ba?
Ha?
Pangit nga yung dinaan natin.
Mamali ka ng clutch ano dun eh.
Kaya natin mahilig tayo. Kasi kung medyo marami siyang narinig doon, baka bigla siyang magulat. Mas lalo siyang mataranta. Iba yung
Oh, paano? Mag-order na kayo. Anong oras na? 8 o'clock na. Ano lang ba?
Yung ano tayo kami hati-hati na.
Para hindi para hindi masyadong heavy. But may bubutang pa ata.
Mag-avocado pa.
Okay. Hindi ko rin alam eh. La carte shared, plates, chicken.
Isa din na rin mapakalaman ka rin natin sa sulit naman talaga.
Sulit talaga.
Masusulit.
Sulit yung ikaw na magpatak mamaya ah.
Baka paano ulit.
Ikaw ang alam mo na yun.
Oo nga. Konti na lang.
Parang wala naman.
Kailan mag-ano? Hindi ko alam din mga food na. Ito ano?
Tingnan natin kung alin yung best ano nila, na seller nila. Pero puro solo to eh.
Oh, sorry. Merong ano eh, merong good for mga sharing.
For sharing.
Mga ganyan.
Ito 2 to 3 packs to. Medyo heavy nga lang siya.
Tapos kung may rice cooker sila para maraming ano.
Indian spice, pork bagoong. Ano to? Not available. Roast beef targa. Ano to? Beef whole. Beef calves.
Ayan.
Kaya ano?
Ano yung recommend nyo na ano dito? Yung best seller nyo?
Bestseller po natin for solo po, yung bagnet po natin, yung beef tapa.
Sharing.
Yung for sharing.
For sharing po, yung kare-kare po natin.
Ito siya. Kare-kare.
Ba, wala po siyang rice, ba, order po sa
Sa lang sauce.
Meron pang platter. May rice platter.
wala po tayo.
Solo.
Per order po, may bagoong rice po tayo, may garlic rice, then plain rice.
Hindi ko na paano. Kasi
Yung pero yung mga heavy naman. Medyo mga heavy siya talaga eh.
Then may mga appetizers din po tayo, for sharing naman po. Good for...
Ano?
Available. Not available kasi.
Lahat not available eh.
Naubos mo kasi kagabi, ang dami pong tao. Ba, yung patatas bravas lang pala.
Yun lang ang
Yan lang available.
Chicken nachos pa naman
Wala naman siya. Kasi ano namin medyo hindi ganun ka-heavy dahil nag-ano kami, nag-food tripping kami.
Yun sana, I can recommend po sana yung
Yung
beef
beef
kasi
sa
dahil
Daya,
yes po
basta kaya
natin
lang.
yung banana heart.
Kaya lang,
Kaso po
available
not
na.
available po.
So parang patatas.
But patatas bravas, I can recommend naman po na...
Actually,
but
masarap ang patatas bravas.
good for 5 lang po yung tig-isa lang po sila. Then coffee po, try na lang po natin po. Yung gusto po nila lighter ano. Then we also have pasta ma'am. Gusto po nila i-try.
Ano ang pasta nila is, nasaan yung pasta?
Pasta. Uy, magpasta tayo ma'am.
Pasta. Ito.
Yeah po. Yeah, we
Pero
have
it is
any
good
pasta.
for one lang.
Good for one lang ma'am.
Shrimp scampi, seafood. Actually, seafood pa pasta. Masarap.
I can recommend po sa inyo yung carbonara and your seafood pasta po natin.
Seafood pasta.
Even with truffle po, good po yan.
Ano, linguine, shrimp, creamy crab. Creamy crab.
Yeah.
Sauce.
May crab paste po siya. Bali red sauce po siya.
May ano, may sisig kayo. Kasi di pero pwede, wala.
Sayang nga ma'am, masarap yung sisig eh. Yung owner pa naman ito ma'am, Kapampangan, yung sisig po niya. Wala po tayo sisig ma'am. Available lang po natin mga bagnet, tapa.
Isang bagnet.
Kaso it comes with rice ma'am. Baka
With ano.
gusto kasi ni ma'am yung light lang po.
Hindi, okay lang.
Okay lang ba?
Kasi
O, tikim-tikim lang
meron
ba?
kasi yung parang
Opo.
gusto lang namin i-try naman. Kasi yung sa pasta is parang solo ano lang siya.
Solo lang siya.
Ganun-ganun na lang tayo para ano lang.
Tikim na lang ma'am. Ganyan din kami pag family po, pag pupunta kami sa isang place. Tikim lang po.
Tingnan niyo yung pasta.
Pero ma'am, November, I guess, second week or first week of November, ma'am, o-open po tayo sa baba. Bali yun, ma'am. I assure you talaga. the best po yun.
Actually, talaga doon yung pupunta.
Yun nga ma'am eh, kaso under renovation po siya. Even yung laro, opo. Even yung laro mana sana, yung casual fine dining po natin, ni-renovate na po para sumabay po siya sa pagbukas po nito.
Beef Calios. Gusto ko yan, Beef Calios. Ito, for sharing din ito.
Yes ma'am, sorry. Bagnet ma'am. Okay. Yung solo lang po naman.
Oo, yan.
Ito, beef callos, beef stripe, beef
Calios,
crispy,
saka kare-kare. Tapos rice. Separate yung rice.
separate yung rice. Gusto niyo pa bang mapasta or
Calios, kare-kare. Tapos yun.
Na-try nyo ito yung patatas bravas ma'am.
o sige, sana ano
Isang
yun na kuya?
patatas.
Ano yung maliliit lang ba ang cut nun? Or
Yes ma'am, ano siya, parang
parang
tidbits po siya.
Oo, tidbits ang ano. Kasi yun ang ano.
Tag-iisa po siyang
Ay, nang sa mahoy ng chicken. Sweets na rin to.
dessert ma'am. Bago gusto ko i-try ma-dessert po natin.
Ano yung inano mo kare-kare?
Kare-kare po. Roast beef kare-kare po or yung bagnet po natin?
Ito may
I think roast beef pala po kasi may pork
Salad
bagnet
sige.
po kayo. Sige, roast beef kare-kare po.
Actually may ang kaya lang salad niya, Caesar salad lang siya.
Madami na yun.
Ano yung ano
Medyo
yung
ito
inano mo?
pong
Ano yung inano
roast
mo?
beef po natin for sharing po siya.
Roast beef.
Kaso wala po
tapos-
siyang rice na kasama.
Tapos ano yung nandiyan? Roast beef.
Roast
patat-
beef po, bagnet bagong rice and patatas.
Nagano ka ng
I think
kare-kare?
kasya na po sa inyo.
Kumuha ka ng kare-kare?
Oo.
Ano? Medyo ano siya.
Opo, medyo marami na po ito. Kung pika-pika lang po. Ito po, sir. Bagnet bagong rice, then patatas bravas, and roast beef kare-kare.
So may kanin na rin.
But yung roast beef kare-kare po natin, wala pa
Yung
rice.
carbon, yung carbon.
Bali,
Yun na lang.
Ay, yung Calios. Ito, Beef Calios. Wala.
Yan, beef calis po.
Lahat ng wala yata. Oo nga.
Opo. Separate order beef rice po.
Ito yun, di ba?
Oh, sige, yun na lang
O
siguro.
sa isa pang Beef Calios.
Yes po, beef calis po.
Okay, yan muna.
How about drinks, sir?
Drinks. Gusto ba drinks?
And inform ko na po sila, we do have service water po. Ito naman po sila. Provide po sa kanila.
Later na lang.
Service
O
water.
di yun na lang.
Wala ka pa.
Oy,
Saka ano, rice?
Ilang rice po, sir?
ay,
May
Isa ba may rice na lang?
isang rice lang.
May
Yung
One
sa
plain
bagnet,
rice.
ano?
Opo, yun na po yung may
Yun
rice
lang
po,
yung
yung
may rice.
bagoong rice po sa
Isa lang, isang cup.
One plain rice.
Ano?
yung bagong rice, gano'ng kadami yun?
Isa lang po, isang
Ah,
cup
isa
lang po.
lang.
Opo, kasama lang po siya nung ano po natin, bagnet na solo.
ano, pinakailan.
5 plain. Anything else, sir?
Ay, yun na yung kinuha yung kanin.
Five.
Five?
Plain rice.
Hindi ako magra-rice.
Ah,
Oo. Magkaano lang ako.
May isang rice na isa.
Pika lang ako. French fries. Ay, nag-fries na rin naman tayo kanina, di ba? French fries, garlic bread. Steak fries. Ano yung steak fries?
Ayun, not available po yung balang available ng fresh
French
fries.
fries din.
Yes, sorry po.
Okay. Garlic bread.
Yung garlic bread, okay.
Ang lakas ah. Siguro yun na lang siguro.
Nanahimik
kuya.
silang lahat.
Nanahimik talaga lahat eh.
Kape pa.
O yun. Yun, sige kuya.
Yun lang po muna.
Oo, yun na lang
Okay.
muna.
Ma'am, repeat order lang po ako, ma'am, sir. You have one bagnet with bago.
This is a comparison between this camera and this camera. Right? Comparison of these two. Mhm. I can't see. So you could see what is better between the two. Oh. Guys, ano ba mas okay para sa inyong dalawa? Pasayin yung dalawang camera. Ano yung mas okay? Ano mas makita nyo? Ang buti. Straight lang natin to. Ayan. Ano ba mas okay? Straight lang din to. Oh. Ano mas okay dito, guys? This is nighttime shot. What do you guys see? What is better? This one or this one? Di ko alam kung ano mas okay. Guys. Sige.
Para malalag na
Ah.
ako tingin sa likod. Ito naman. Ito naman.
Oh. Comparison. Record. This one, this are two. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. You're the second one. So comment down below. What camera do you guys see? Malit talaga kayo. Yung camera ginagamit ko. SD. Stabilization test. Good. This one, not sure. And yeah, this is the Action 5 and this is the Go 2S. Let's see what camera should be the best at the light versus behind the light. Let me see today and today. Okay. One and two. One. Ang nga. Ganda. What do you guys prefer? What do you guys prefer? What camera is better? What mic is better? Is it this one and this one? Sige.
Ako na lang.
Basta is pop. Sige. Three, two, one. Three, two, one. Oh! 3, 2, 1.
Pero maganda yung para maliwanag.
Ano yung mall ba? Yung maliwanag yan. Ano pala tayo pag-ihaw?
Ano?
What do you guys see? Is it this one better because the light is on the back over there? Or is it this one that the light that you see on the back? Because I can't see right now. But oh, if I check it from here. Okay. I'm gonna go up. Frame. It's not as wide though. It's not as wide. It's fine though. It's fine. It's not as wide, but Two cameras. What do you guys prefer? What do you prefer?
Ganda rin yung ano rin.
Oo.
What do you guys prefer right now? Is it going to be like this or this? With the light first outside. You know, you see the imaginary light. And if is it good? Yep. What camera is better? That
Yung siya.
yes. Yep. Do you guys see it better? So yeah. Over. Yeah. What do you guys see? I put here. The cameras. Let's see what is better. This is the What do you guys see better? This or this? This or this? This or this? This or this? Comment down below. Hey, comparison. It's just a comparison. Whether this or this, the newest camera, is better. Okay. I'm just testing it. Oh, it's great though. But this one, this light is more better than this. Just like kind of okay. This one is kind of okay. Or could be seasoned. Actually, after view it will be like this. Versus if you put on white, that's the white that can go. There's no white view. And just love. Oh wait, let's see. It doesn't work. Alright, let us test the D-Log M. I will test this one by testing these two cameras. You will see the color removed from this, and this one I can't see. This and this one I can't see from this, and this one I could. Camera is better for view, this or this. Because if I pull up, I pull this up, I don't know what's better though. When you put a lot to here, solid like, you know. Okay. When you put a lot to here, there's a difference from here and here. iLog it or log profile. There's no like D-Log M. You just log. D-Log M is from DJI. And okay, a lot of videos. Pro videos it's like this. Oh, wait, whoa. ISO again to 0.5. Loading the thing. Okay. 1080p. 9x16. Doesn't touch this camera. I could just change the button from here. Okay. Hey, comment down below if this camera is very good for future videos though. But nah. I'm just borrowing this. What camera is better? What should be better for the low light? If the low light outside, you can see the city over there. Is it better, or is it like you don't see it better? A lot of tests and a lot of videos. You see the video from here. Actually, and okay, you see the 4.3. Okay. Yeah, we just have to do a time lapse right now. Okay, we are done eating, and the next spot is Okada, Manila. Wait, I know how to activate. Put this back. I just did it earlier. Okay, guess not. The sound. Use the close one. Or it says the name here. So it's after the Prince is a 1-inch red. One actually pull out and put in. We are not adding. Ush. Ganda pa rin. Walang masabi. Ang ganda. Through this window, you can just see. You don't actually see outside. I don't wanna go outside, but yeah. Wow. Heavy. This lighter though. Actually, this lighter than this what I'm using. Some a bit of weight. The difference of these two is just the easiest use of it. Oh wait, oh my god, I forgot about this part. It doesn't got like the what's called it doesn't got a tripod stand. This one it does. This one it does. It's built-in tripod stand actually. So if you wanna like do this, you could use this. Look. Bam, 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 bam. 6 foot each leg. like this. Like this. This part. This. Don't know where to. I'm just not how to here. Look. Slowly. And you just do this. Click it. Click. And click. There. Easy use of it. It's too easy. Never use it Instagram. Oh, it's a battery, yeah. This is how you turn on it. And it's after on. There. Voila. Great. Just check. It's actually great. This is very small and compact. It's very small and compact. It's like it looks like a earbuds that you wear, but no, take it. Just put it out. You can record about 30 minutes is the max. But you can do. Okay, it's automatic. Those do. I don't know what is better. I think this one is better because it's more compact. You can put on your chest or put on your head. You put on your head, chest, anywhere. And you want even like hold like this. Or it's like a tripod. But you gotta need this though. This thing. You need this. Competitor of it. Competitor of this is this. This name. That's crazy. But I would say I love it. I love what they're doing. They're seeing what inside their best or what this buyer likes more. Also, this one is better though. Probably if I'm a buyer, probably this one will be the best for me than this though. This one is very nice though. This is the same thing as this, but more like this is compact, yeah. It is very nice though. Just holding this. Very easy. Actually, like, there you go. You just press this button on top, but that one you gotta connect and record how long it takes. This one just press one button and it's already done. That's why it is very nice or easy to use as a compact user. It's like you're ready to record. And plus this one can be outside, it can be outdoors, any type of outdoor activity or indoor activity if you want. Like me, I'm a outdoor activity person. Yeah, it's very nice.
Di ba, ano rin kayo, tumiretso din. Doon na nga kami dumaan
Pero
sa
ang weight
hapro.
dun, dinadala.
Yes, actually, there's a normal video There's no like anything. That's how far the city is over there. That's the city. Over there is the Manila. Over there, that's the farthest. The light, that part, that part of the light is on Manila. We are doing the far. Okay. So we can go. No, they're crazy. And oh, airport. That was airport though. Actually, this part airport or no? Yep. I'm checking if it's overexposed or underexposed. Underexposed it very well. Nice. This one too. Oh, nah, overexposed. Overexposed image, so that's in the blue. Just like this. I would say we are about, I don't know. It's actually rainy, but oh my god, you see a lot of lights today. Yeah, damn, it's like you don't even see stars, but you only see light. That's the thing. Kasi dito na lang para safe, para dito na lang talaga yung hindi kita yung ilaw. So kasi hindi kita yung ilaw.
Kaya ano siya, madilim, kaya madilim siya. Mama, kasi magpinding.
Nasa Baguio ata tayo.
Parang sa ano kay ibang bansa.
Parang sa ibang bansa talaga kung kumitingin ka. Dahil ayun kasi pang airport na yun eh, pa straight dun. Di mo kita pero ayun dun oh. That straight part. This part that I'm pointing out straight over there. That's the actual airport though. It's crazy. When you see the airport now, it's very crazy. Oh, it's very crazy though. And oh my god, I don't know what light you see. That's actually crazy. Airport agad dun, straight to there. Oh no, it's like it. Ganda. Holy. Indoor. Oh my god. You see the light over there. Light over here. Light over here. You see. Light. What the light? This and this. I think it's very nice though. It's not overexposed. The lighting is very great. Don't use Super Night yet. Earlier I used it but it didn't work as well because the problem of the Super Night is Just the problem of the super light is it cannot handle the lighting. There's no light. You gotta have light, so it can handle the light. If there's no light, it cannot handle anything further from it though. But yeah, from what you see right now, from what you see from this, from camera to the mic, where I'm pointing at over the display, is that if you see that light, it's not a soul, it's not like the dark is very nice, and this one is like more like it's not like overexposed, it's correct exposure level, correct exposure level. For some reason, the normal 10 bit is if I'm gonna use normal 10 bit, just no like editing. When you have the that thing is more nicer. And this one, I think this got the cloud profile. This one, I'm gonna show you. It has the log profile, but there's no like. Okay, I'm trying to remember. There's no like. Ooh. Andyan na. Dun, ayun na. Dito ka, Len. Fine. Ha? Dun po. Okay pa. Salamat. Thank you po. Saan na?
Yung parang F.
Wow. Ay. Parang nakatakot ah. Nakatakot ba? Oh, di naman. Ayun na. Ganda.
Yung kakayo niyo ba yun?
Ganda talaga. Ganda talaga.
Parang lalo yung makasyolan, no?
Oo.
Ikaw
Yaman na yan na mag-passenger muna siya. Hindi, papa, pumaan pa. Ito, ayun.
Ano ba doon? Ano ba?
Ano ba pa yung gagawin? Ano ko yan?
Doon sa ganito.
Wait. Kaming dalawa. Ay, paano na kayong tatlo? Ay, ito ang gagawin namin ito.
Ito, pwede natin gamitin tayo ni Kuya. Aabot na lang kay Kuya.
Aday.
Huwag pa na ako doon. Ako nga punta.
For me, do I need to use this?
So,
It can handle.
Ano na klasa ni Dali sa gabi, no?
Para siya pa.
Okay. Yep. And
Ano pang panggabi siya sa gabi?
Ayun, hindi nga pala ng ilaw nito.
ang lakas.
Ano yan? Nakaya na ba yan?
Apa.
Hindi nakaya yun. Ang taas, ha? Ang lakas naman ng ilaw na.
Oh, yup. Lakas. Lakas talaga. Okay, go. Hindi ko na kailangan.
Kayong dalawa na.
Hindi ko kailangan. Alim. Hindi ko kailangan. Sige po. Yup.
Heck ecco il mio cuore. I'm giving you all my love. Sempre sarai tu il mio amore. My darling, my angel, my dove. If ever you would leave me, I think I would lay down and die. Oh, ecco il mio cuore. Now tell me your heart is mine. Secondi, minuti ed ore. Days without you feel like years. Se tu mi lasci, amore, I die in a river of tears. I wish I had more to offer. You know I'd give you the stars up above.
El rachetón. Vámonos, baby, vente, vámonos. Vine solo al para el